In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make the Mielle Rosemary Mint Hair Growth Oil in the comfort of your home. If you're new here, please do not make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button, and let's get this show started, okay? We are going to start off by putting water in the pot and allow it to start heating up because we use the double boiler method. Okay, so this is the dry rosemary leaf. This was what I was able to get, but it works equally well like the fresh rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh rosemary leaf, please make use of it. Then one of the videos I posted using a plastic to make my hair growth oil, and a lot of people came for me, so I went to the market to purchase this stainless plate, and I'm also trying my best to minimize the amount of plastic I use in the kitchen. This is also olive oil, castor oil. You can just use any type of oil, lightweight oils you have in your possession. This is horsetail oil, argan oil, sage oil, clove oil, and fenugreek oil, and also black seed oil. So you start off by washing your plate. Always make sure to use clean utensils to make your oils or your product, so that your product will not come out dirty or rusty. Then the next step is to measure your rosemary leaf. I think you can eyeball this if you don't have the measuring spoon, but please, this is how I chose to do mine. So I measured mine and added put it into the bowl. Went on to measure the olive oil. In this video, this particular side, you guys have seen me measure it, but at the end I felt the need to just pour in everything, since I was making a kind of a big quantity for I and some people that you guys are going to see in an upcoming video. Okay, so I put in the black seed oil and the castor oil. I also added in coconut oil. Some people's scalp and hair react to coconut oil, so if your hair is not loving coconut oil or your scalp is not loving it, please do not make use of it. Then after putting all of that, I mixed it up. I did not add the essential oils for now because it's not good to add them up while heating up your mixture on the fire. So I'm going to allow this to heat up for 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, it was not really up to 60 minutes, let me say roughly 40 minutes, so that all the ingredients will infuse properly. Then after heating it up for 40 minutes, then I turned down the heat, brought it down, and covered the mixture to cool down. After cooling down, then transferred it into a glass jar. You guys are going to notice that while straining this, all the rosemary leaf did not come out, and that is because I wanted it like that. So this is the strainer I used. You can use a handkerchief, a cloth, or a wig cap, so that you can catch all the rosemary leaf. That is if you do not want it in your oil, that's in the applicator bottle. But it's I really wanted it, a little of it, to be in my applicator bottle. Then the remaining rosemary leaf, I left it so that I will use it in another hair growth treatment. Okay, do not throw it away. Then I went on to add the essential oils. Just drops of it will go a long way. These essential oils, I'm going to drop a video of reason why you guys should make use of them for your hair growth treatment. Okay, they are very, very necessary. Then I stirred it up and cover it up, allowed the essential oil and the carrier oils and the rosemary to properly infuse for about 30 minutes before transferring it into my applicator bottle. Then ended up showing you guys how to use it. If you want to use this hair growth treatment, I will recommend you use it mostly at night. And as you can see, the reason why mine is not showing green color is because I use the dry rosemary leaf. The fresh rosemary leaf will probably be in color green. That's why you are seeing the color of mine like this. So this is obviously in the night. I was about going to bed, and I started to show you guys how I use it. Like I mentioned, I feel like using hair growth oils is more appropriate when you're about going to bed, because your body is going to rest, your body is no longer active. So you can use it to massage your scalp and your hair. Use it to protect your hair before going to bed, in order for you to minimize any form of breakage, any form of tangles. And rosemary is an antifungal proper it has an antifungal property, is an antifungal property itself, so it helps your scalp to be healthy. So you can see that I literally unraveled my twist with this oil, and the twist is standing well. I'm literally still pulling it, and the twist is still standing well. And I'm going to twist it back and also apply the oil on my scalp, massage it, and also on my the back of my hair, or should I say the bun. After doing all of that, I tied my hair with a silk scarf and went to bed. So this oil is something that has been going on here on TikTok and on YouTube, and a lot of people are saying that it's no longer on sales. This is a very quick or cheap way you can make this in the comfort of your home and still get all the benefits. Okay, I was supposed to add mint leaf in this oil, but I did not get mint because I checked literally all the supermarket yesterday and I wasn't able to get it. So I was able to get the dried rosemary leaf, and I worked with what I have. So please give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you guys in my next upload. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video to your loved ones, and let me know where you're watching from. I have a lot of you guys watching from different countries and not just Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye. And last but not the least, before I end this video, I also want to mention that another way to make this rosemary hair growth oil is by doing the cold press method. That is leaving your oil for 24 to 48 hours, that literally a day or two, for so that everything will be infused properly. I believe that method is going to take like very very long for a lot of us that are quite impatient. So this double boiler method is literally the best like option, I guess. So please make use of the options that you feel like is more healthy for you. I decided to go with the double boiler method because I feel like it's faster for me, in as much as it took almost 1 hour, but it's still faster than making it for 2 days.
She's making rosemary oil to try to thicken her hair. I thought her hair was thick to begin with. Now she's applying it. There are studies showing that rosemary oil compared to minoxidil or Rogaine has been shown to regrow hair. And let's see, it works.